Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Monday, March 11, 2024. I want to start with just to let people know, we put out a newsletter on Friday. We do newsletters in addition to the videos, and this newsletter was talking about passive investing versus active investing. And passive investing has just been growing so much in terms of index funds, target date funds, stuff like that. And I don't think people really understand the mechanics of how these funds work, and that there are some risks involved and like that. So again, just from an educational standpoint, I wanted to we put that out. And if somebody wants it, email me at jkerr@kerrfinancial.com. It's on our website, kerrfinancial.com. It's on my LinkedIn page. You can search for me there and take a look. Though I think it's important that as passive investing is now 50% of mutual fund and ETF assets are following that strategy. And again, I think it's helpful to understand some of the mechanics and how this all works. So, on to this week, though. The news for this week: CPI is out tomorrow on Tuesday. Thursday is PPI, Producer Price Index. So, two inflation gauges that'll be widely followed. And then the third other thing I think is the options expiration on Friday. It's a quadruple witching expiration, which means it's indexes, futures, options on futures, and options on stocks and indexes. And right now there's like a $2.7 trillion of notional value. It's either got to roll over or be exercised and like that. So again, that's one of the largest amounts on one of these quarterly expirations. So that's going to be a big thing, and will influence the market as well. And then also next week, looking out further, the Fed has their March meeting on Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll obviously speak more about that as the time approaches. And then the last thing to talk about today is Nvidia's big drop on Friday afternoon. It reached an all-time high during the day, and then fell like 10% and was down 5.5% on the day, and was 128 million. I'm sorry, 128 billion dollar market cap loss. There's not any obvious reason. I guess there's a copyright lawsuit out there. Not sure if it's what drove it, but I think it again just points that Nvidia's been a darling. It's up 76% in 2024, right? Less than 3 months. That's a huge gain. Great company, but susceptible to that kind of these air pockets like we just hit. So, thank you for listening. And again, if you need anything, information on the newsletter, reach out to us. Thank you for listening. We'll speak soon. Bye.